SCSI Annual Residential and Commercial Outlook is an important review in terms of market expectation and sentiment, and also looking and tracking back over different transactions and market activity over the course of 2016. Over the course of 2016 we saw a number of different changes being introduced that will impact on property markets going forward. So such things like Brexit, the recent US elections, and even then changes nationally speaking as well in relation to budget changes, and indeed then central bank changes in terms of restrictions on mortgages. So when we look at all of these things in totality, there have been a number of different measures that will impact directly on property pricing and indeed growth potential going forward, and also that will continue well into 2017. So for example, the recent budget changes in relation to mortgage interest relief on residential properties, and also the changes in the Living City initiative should be positive. However, there are other changes in relation to continuing issues on the pricing of residential properties on the supply side that we think will actually impact on the markets going well into 2017 and need to be considered by our members. The survey itself again went through a number of different subsectors in the market, so industrial, offices, retail, and the findings of those in terms of our members' experiences are very, very useful. These are people that are at the coalface of these transactions, and so even in terms of their sentiment towards 2017 and future growth prospects are a very useful barometer of how the market is doing and how we expect the market to perform over the course of the next 12 months. Recent changes such as the Trump election, the Brexit and its impact on foreign direct investment, it's still too early to tell exactly what those impacts will be, but certainly along with the changes in the budget, for example of the Section 110s and different funding institutions that foreign entities tend to use, these will all have impacts on investment values and capital growth expectations going forward, which again our members have considered in terms of their responses as to the outlook for 2017. We see in terms of the results in the survey that there is a period of uncertainty and change coming. Again, Ireland is a very small country in a very large international arena, and so our members need to stay up to date with recent economic activity, what's happening internationally and how that will impact on the Irish market, and make sure that again that they can provide the best advice that they can to their clients, both in the residential and commercial sectors. So in terms of what the SCSI is doing, we'll be rolling out a number of different CPDs across Dublin and also the regions around Ireland to ensure that our members are given the correct supports and the educational facilities that they require in order to deliver those best quality services to their clients across the different regions. So we'll be looking at improving the educational requirements, and again I'd be asking members to take advantage of those and to attend. There's a number of free CPD and also then paid seminars as well. Our annual conference will be on again in the Carton House Hotel in March, and again that will cover a range of activities and also the future of the industries going forward across the different sectors, so from a state agency through quantity surveying, and also how these changes might impact on our members. So we're there to offer support and to provide assistance to our members in each of the different sectors and make sure that they are well prepared and well managed into the future.